crafty people. Welcome to a combined design team project for Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner and ASC Supplies on Etsy. So I have these adorable little unicorns in my stash, and I colored up 3 of them and thought I'd create some cards. All right. These really pretty dies right here are from ASC Supplies on Etsy, as is this one here. And these are Heartfelt Creations dies. Really, really pretty. This beautiful bow with this flower center is from Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner on Zibbit. And this is card number 1. If you're wondering, this is a Spellbinder's Grand Nestabilities die. But super, super cute. Card number 1. We're going through these quick. Card number 2. All right, another adorable unicorn. And from Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner, I use these beautiful little white sprays. And she has a multitude of colors of these little, they're not sprays, they're like stamens, but I like to put them in my flower clusters just to give them that added oomph. Also, this flower applique peeking out, there's one behind each one, and this little tool trim is also something you can get at Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner. So basically the whole flower cluster, except for the paper flowers, are from Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner. And then this die and this die are the same die that I used at the top of this one, and you can get those at ASC Supplies on Etsy. And then in addition, with this die, it also comes with these corner dies, and they are so, so pretty. They really add to the design. I love it. So that's card number 2. And the final card is this one. I love it. This little bow, I think they come in sets of 3 from Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner. And then I just absolutely love this trim, this tool trim. I can't, it's like a netting. I don't know, but it is so super cute. So it's the same stuff as I have here. I just cut it smaller to go behind the flowers. And here, I just love it. I just added the pearls to the center. It doesn't come with the pearls. And then from Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner, I also used this really, really pretty lace in the background. And then look at these little hearts. So that comes in like a row, and you can cut them apart and use them how you need. So I just cut a few here and tucked them here, and then on this side as well. But so, so pretty. Oh, I also used this little pearl trim from Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner. And then I used the beautiful die from the same die set as the others. And these dies here from ASC Supplies on Etsy. Oh, and I used these more of the, like the stamen sprays from Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner. So there we go. 3 adorable unicorn cards using products from ASC Supplies on Etsy and Natasha'S Scrapbook Corner. I will link all the information for both stores in the description box down below. I hope you'll head over to both stores, check out all the awesomeness. They're very different kind of stores, and so you're going to want to check both of them out for all the different goodies that they have available. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day. See you next time.